Imagine changing your body without gym equipment, heavy weights, or long workouts. Just 10 minutes of plank exercise every day can build strength, burn fat, and transform your core faster than you think. The plank looks simple, but it is one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever created. When you hold a plank, your entire body is working at the same time. From your shoulders to your abs, from your back to your legs, every muscle is engaged and fighting against gravity. Doing plank exercise for 10 minutes every day strengthens your core muscles, which are the foundation of your body. A strong core improves posture, balance, and stability. It protects your spine and reduces the risk of back pain, which is one of the most common problems in modern life. When your core is strong, every movement becomes easier, whether you are walking, running, lifting, or even sitting. Plank exercise is extremely effective for fat loss. Even though it looks static, it burns a high number of calories because multiple muscle groups are activated together. This increases your metabolism and helps your body burn more fat throughout the day. When you practice plank daily, your body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy. Over time, this leads to a leaner waist, tighter abs, and better muscle definition. One of the biggest benefits of doing plank exercise every day is improved mental strength. Holding a plank is not just a physical challenge, it is a mental one. Your mind wants to quit before your body actually needs to. When you push through those uncomfortable seconds, you build discipline, focus, and mental toughness. This habit slowly changes your mindset and makes you stronger not only in workouts but in life. 10 minutes of plank exercise every day can be broken into smaller sets, making it suitable for beginners as well. You can start with short holds like 30 seconds or 1 minute and slowly increase the time. Consistency matters more than duration. Doing plank daily trains your body to adapt, grow stronger, and perform better over time. This makes it a sustainable habit for long-term fitness. Plank exercise also improves flexibility, especially in the back, shoulders, and legs. As your muscles stay engaged, they stretch and strengthen at the same time. This helps reduce stiffness, improves mobility, and prevents injuries. People who practice plank regularly often experience better movement and less joint discomfort. Another powerful benefit of daily plank exercise is improved breathing and endurance. Holding a plank teaches you to control your breath under tension. This strengthens your lungs and improves oxygen flow throughout the body. Better breathing leads to better performance in other exercises and daily activities. Plank exercise requires no gym, no machines, and no special space. You can do it at home, in your room, on a mat, or even outdoors. This makes it one of the most convenient exercises for busy people. Just 10 minutes a day is enough to build a strong foundation for overall fitness. When you commit to plank exercise every day, you create a routine that supports a healthy lifestyle. This small habit builds momentum and often leads to better food choices, more physical activity, and improved self-confidence. Over time, you will notice not only physical changes but also a stronger mindset and higher energy levels. The real power of plank exercise lies in consistency. One day will not change much, but weeks and months of daily effort will transform your body. 10 minutes may seem small, but when done every day, it becomes a powerful tool for long-term health, strength, and fat loss. Start today, hold the plank, breathe, stay focused, and trust the process. 10 minutes every day is all it takes to become stronger, healthier, and more disciplined.